3 natural smoothies to clean your liver and lose excess fat. Our liver is a vital organ which serves many functions. It plays an important role in regulating metabolism, keeping the immune system healthy and ensuring smooth digestion. It also has the major function of removing the toxins from our body. Liver detoxifying smoothies have been discussed for long now. These smoothies make use of healthy natural ingredients which help in the getting rid of the toxins in the liver so that it functions properly. Here are 3 natural smoothie recipes for a liver cleanse. Beetroot smoothie. How to. Take 1/2 cup of diced beetroot. Mix 1/2 cup of diced carrots. Juice the 2 to get a red-colored juice. Do not use beetroot alone. Add 2 tablespoons of lemon juice to this juice. Add 1 cup of unsweetened coconut cream to 1/2 cup of this juice concentrate. 2 teaspoons of desiccated coconut powder. Add 1 tablespoon of roasted flaxseed. Blend the ingredients well on high speed for 30 seconds. Consume this smoothie once a week. Green smoothie. How to. Take 1 cup of peeled and diced apples. Take 2 teaspoons of lemon juice. Take 1 cup of spinach leaves. Take 1/2 cup of fresh kale leaves. Add 1 cup of yogurt, unsweetened and unflavored, to these. Add 2 tablespoons of honey. Blend the ingredients well for 1 minute. Consume this smoothie 2 times a week for better results. Almond and cherry smoothie. How to. Take 1 cup of almond milk. Add 1 tablespoon of almond powder. Take 2 teaspoons of chia seeds. Take 1 cup of cherries. Add 1/2 cup of strawberries. Add 4 pinches of cinnamon powder. Add 4 pinches of turmeric powder. Blend well for 1 minute. Consume this smoothie 3 times a week. Why is it important to detox the liver? Our liver filters and cleanses the blood while filtering out all the toxins which may get deposited in the liver. We are exposed to several toxins through polluted air and improper food. Processed food also demands extra effort from the liver so that the blood sugar level can be maintained. An individual taking too many antibiotics or substances like alcohol and too much caffeine should also use these liver cleansing smoothies. Alcohol and drugs are very hard to filter through the body and hence damage the liver with repeated use. Hence cleansing the liver becomes an important step in healthcare. All that being said, it is important to understand that using these cleansing smoothies alone will not yield tremendous results when it comes to weight loss. One also has to take other steps to keep the liver healthy, such as getting enough sleep and avoiding drugs of any kind. To lose fat, other important steps like exercising and having a healthy diet must also be followed. These smoothies also contain several minerals and vitamins. Hence these smoothies will not just help with a liver cleanse but also with getting clear and glowing skin and stronger hair. Note, these smoothies make use of natural ingredients. However, if you are on certain medications, consult your doctor before their consumption on a regular basis. Yeah.